Hello, Robo friends. I have exciting news from Norma Core. They have released a new port of their station for this little cute robot called um, XGO Lite or Robot Kit. Their version was specifically designed for this, what is called the Dogzilla, that runs on a CM5. The one I have is from another vendor, from Electrix, and is the CM4 XGO Lite robot kit, which is the one that you can see. Where is my hand here? Um, and yeah, it's essentially the same hardware, more or less. So I did have to do some changes to make it work, which is published on the GitHub tutorial. But I want to show you how useful this software is. So the Norma Core station is running on my local network and is using URLDF version of this. And I'm not sure if you can see, but if I am moving my arm, I'm actually moving the robot and the actual inertial unit, which is an IMU MPU 6050, is inside the chassis and is basically measuring the RPY and XYZ. This is pretty cool and is really fluid, I have to say. The Norma Core protocol is doing a good job. And so the way it works is, this is one of the cubes, a sort of connect through the USB serial, the internal serial control board, which then streams this command to the motherboard, and essentially you have the same control. So I can, let's try to see a lie down operation now. Let's see, where's the camera? Maybe put it like this, maybe, yeah. Let's say lie down. Yeah, it's working pretty well. Let's do a sit. Electricity. This is great. I'm not sure what's bag. Ah, bag in motion. Um, so yeah, this is fantastic. I mean, push-ups. Let's do push-ups. Yeah, it's working nicely. Sorry, camera. Um, and what else I can show you? Oh, there's a camera which I haven't enabled for now, but the camera works. It's in front of it, and I can control the mini arm, so I can do things like that. Sorry, this is the opposite. Yeah, and I can close my gripper. Okay, let's do it properly. Not sure you can see it, but yes, this is working. Maybe that's the best way to do it. Uh, so I'm closing the gripper, so I'm going to put something here. Yeah, and I can control. Look at that. It's amazing and it's very responsive. I mean, they've done a good job with this real-time protocol, because yes, it works really nicely. And one of the advantages of this is, by the way, I can also control the robot. This is really fun to control. Look at that. It's really cool. Let me put it. Uh, there we go. I'm back inside. And well, one of the advantages is that because it's in within the Norma Core protocol or format, I can actually start to use this. My objective is to use this arm to actually control uh, the simplified arm. Now, This is only a 3 degree of freedom planar, so it's operating on the same plane. There's no rotation. Um, but what I want to do is to do motion retargeting so that when I'm using this, I am going to map the, for example, the, let's say, I don't know, what is this, the yaw or the roll of this to the yaw of the actual robot, which will be, I guess, that. So this will be the yaw. And then I'm going to map these controls to part of the actual gripper. So the idea is you can sort of map a 7 degree of freedom to a 3+1 and other things. And the challenge is how do you make it sort of intuitive for the operator so that it feels natural. So when I'm moving this arm, I want to sort of the robot should follow the my sort of motion and like because yeah, he's totally different. So it will be very interesting, and maybe um, the camera to be honest is a little bit odd because the camera is actually obstructed by the gripper in front. Um, I'm not sure why. So the camera is here. When I move this, well, it's it's going to obstruct that. Ideally, they should have put the camera here. Maybe I can find a way to rewire it or something like that. But this is very interesting. I'm not sure what does this thing. So each leg have the 3 degree of freedom. So I can even sort of let's see. I'm not sure front left. So now is moving the I'm not sure what is that, the roll of the leg, yeah. And so I have full control of this, which it's great because I can do even maybe reinforcement learning on this. So stay tuned for my next tutorial. This is going to be awesome, super awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe.